Hi everyone. Here is a third class for indices. We have a question here that says, if this fraction is equal to a to the power p, b to the power q, then we are to find the value of each of the constants p and q. This fraction does not contain p and q, but it is equal to something that contains p and q. Then we want to find the value of p and q. Okay, now for what we are given, a to 1/3, b to the power minus half, all to the power 3, divided by a to the power minus 2/3, b to the power half. All right, so what do we do? Let's go to the individual letters. This a has 1/3 that is affecting it, and it also has another power outside. In fact, this power outside is for both a and b. And a has this power, it also has this one. B has this power, it also has this one. So what we do is, the power law that says when the base has two powers, one inside, another outside, we take the base and the two powers multiply themselves. So we say this a has inner power of 1/3, and there is another power outside which is 3. So the one inside multiplied by the one outside. Then we come to b. B has a power inside as minus half. It multiplies the other power outside, which is also meant for b, which is 3. 1/3 is only meant for a. Minus half is only meant for b, but 3 is for everything in the bracket. This bracket does not cover the denominator, so this 3 is not meant for what is down. So down here is a to the minus 2/3, b to the half. So now we say a raised to the power 3 cancel 3. So a to the power 1 is just a. Minus half times 3 is minus 3 over 2. Because 3 times 1 is 3. 2 is here, and the minus is this one. So a to the power minus 2 over 3, b to the power half. Okay. So what we do is, a here has a positive power and here a negative power. So what we do is, the one that with a negative power has to join the one with a positive power, because our primary target in indices is to making sure that the powers are positive, if possible. So a with the power of 1 positive, a with a negative, this one goes to the top. But we are not moving the a, there is already a, only the power that we are moving to the top. So this a is here. At the top there is 1. So this one that is moving to the top, not necessarily the a we are going to rewrite. There is already a at the top. Only the power will recognize its movement to the top. And when you move something from the power, an index value from the denominator to the numerator, the sign of the power changes. From the numerator to the denominator, the sign of the power changes. But why are we not moving everything to the denominator? Because here it is negative. Here is already positive. So we'll move this to the positive side. So once this one moves to the top, this sign changes. So it becomes plus 2 over 3. B at the top is negative. B at the bottom is negative. So let us move to the positive, which is the denominator. So down here is half. If this one is coming down, we don't move this b again. There is already b. It's only the power recognize its movement. The sign has to change. Plus 3 over 2. I hope it is clear. So at the top is a plus 1 plus 2 over 3. 2 over 3 is a proper fraction. 1 is a whole number. A whole number and a proper fraction, just put them together. 1 whole number 2 over 3. We are lucky that the denominators are the same. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. The denominators are the same. 1 over 2, 3 over 2. We take 1. Yeah. So we say 1 plus 3, which is 4, divided by 2, which is 2. Clear? Okay. So this is what we have. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. See you in my next video. I forgot that the question says find the value of each of the constants P and Q. But let us see the position of P and the position of Q. Yeah, the position of P and position of Q. But by look of things, look the way they appear, not like a fraction. So A and B, they appear as a product because they are like this, not like one at the top, one at the bottom. So it means B has to go to the top now. So we say A, which is what? 1, 2, third. This B moves to the top. The sign changes to minus 2. So if we are to find the value of P and the value of Q, P is the power of A. So what is the power of A? 1 whole number 2 over 3. So P is the power of A. And the power of A is this. 1, 2, third. Q is the power of B. The power of B is minus 2. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to follow, like, share, and comment. See you in my next video.